Friday! Libot kami, ikot-ikot. Yung mag-ama, ayan o, ingay. Alam mo yung nagda-drive ka tapos...
Where's my phone?
My bag. Ngayon, bibili kami ng...
I want to see you all, Mommy. I want to see the camera.
Yeah! Wait. Bibili kami ng gas cylinder kasi naubusan kami ng
There's stairs.
gas cylinder. After pagkalabas nitong bata batuta sa school niya. Lapit lang sa amin. Oh.
You're right.
Hindi ko alam. Doon ka sa daddy mo, kumapit ka. Alec, ano nakuha mo today sa school? Alam nyo ba today?
Nothing.
Helmet.
Nothing.
Helmet. You get helmet. Up. Doon tayo. Doon. So today, binigyan sila sa school ng, kasi dito ang Netherlands, di ba? Ano sila, famous sila sa pagbabike. So, ang gymnastic nila is matuto sila magbike. So, binigyan sila ng each ng student ng helmet. And drive. Oh, yun na nga.
And also there's walking.
Walking. Binigyan sila tigi-tigi sa helmet.
Everyone needed to do it. So then I had no choice but to do it. And you know, I don't see any joy. I don't like everything, but I try it and it's fun. And she doesn't try it if she doesn't like it.
Yeah. Ay, nako. Kayo na mag-adjust. Ayun na nga. At binigyan sila tigi-tigi sa... Hindi pa siya tapos, guys.
She didn't play with me because she was also the same time in the last play.
So, ang ganda ng jacket. Look at the jacket. Oh.
She was there too, but she didn't play with me.
So, yun na nga. Patapusin mo muna ako. Binigyan sila ng tigi-tigisang helmet. And take note, guys, ha, yung helmet na binigay nila, magandang klaseng helmet. And, yeah, and it's for free. So, yun ang ganda rito. Lahat ng kailangan nila sa school. So, ngayon, kailangan nila matutong magbike, outdoor. Wow! Binigyan sila ng helmet. Papakita namin sa inyo mamaya yung helmet pagdating sa bahay kasi iniwan niya. So, ang galing, diba? Tapos, yung sa pagbabike. Ngayon naman ito. Dito, malapit lang doon sa Oosterwolde. Parang, how long ba ako 20 minutes driving from doon sa probinsya namin. So, isang village din to. Kompleto lahat. Makikita mo.
Oops, sorry.
Oh. Let's go there. So, tingnan natin kung ano makita namin dito, guys. Later! Ito niya yung penguin.
With sparkly.
Snowflake. With a snowflake.
Oh.
Ay, sakit yan. Oh, yung basket, bata. Ito yung literal na ang daming barbecue sauce. Meron din kasi silang grill section. Ito, bungo talaga. Grabe. 24 euro. That wish hot sauce. Ano kaya ito? Para ka mamamatay pag kinain mo. Sa anghang, ganon. Mexican habanero pepper. Wow. Ultra hot skull hot sauce. Interesting. Meron na silang garlic sauce teriyaki. Kasong mahal. Nasa 9 euro. Ano ka ang presyo? And meron din silang alin yan?
It's a good.
Ano yun?
Yeah, I'm working also a little bit on eco label.
Pag sa ano yan, sa camping, paglalabas. Ay, gusto ko yung slim plate to. Bibili tayong charcoal kasi bukas magba-barbecue kami. Let's see the other.
Thank you very much. Oh no, we have a gimbal.
Daddy. Nu moet ik weer.
Ik moet poepen.
Daddy.
Yan, naghihiyawan po ang mag-ama para po silang si Tom and Jerry. Habang ako'y nagdadrive. Look at this two.
Shout to daddy.
Ayan, nagtatalo po yung dalawang
Laat ze
mag-ama.
even zien aan daddy.
Uy!
Mag ik even in je neus kijken?
My God. Alam mo kanina pa, alam mo yung guys, nagdadrive ako, yung
Sige.
yung ang ingay nila mag-ama, promise.
Maar dat zit ook hier.
Para silang si Tom and Jerry.
Hey.
My goodness. Ay, bata-bata ta.
Ben je nou?
Can you explain to me, both of you, what's happening? Why all the commotion?
Kulangot.
May kulangot ka daw, Lek?
Wala naman.
Ay, no.
Nakakain
Grabe, all the way. Siguro mga 25 minutes nagmamaneho ako.
Kulangot.
Ang ingay nila.
No kalangot.
Anyway, nag-stop kami dito sa, what is the name of the village, Han?
Where?
This village.
Bakafane.
Ha?
Bakafane.
Baka Pain. Oh, so Baka Pain. Ang dali lang tandaan, guys. Baka at saka Pain. So, Baka Pain. O, diba? Improving my Dutch. Bumili kami kasi nung gas. So, ngayon po kami dito. And
Hoy, guys.
we'll eat kami some...
Hoy, Alamaw.
Hello, Alamal. Grabe, ang taas ng energy niya. Nakakain ka ba ng chocolate?
Oo, chocolate bread.
Ay, kaya pala. Anyway, upo kami rito. Kakain kami ng french fries. Liars! So, ito yung typical na parang main po nila. Straight food. Parang sa atin. Kika stick. $30. Puro deep fry. So, try pa mo. Meron sila yung croquette. Favorite namin ni Albert. And this picanto. Oh, they have bratwurst then.
Bratwurst and kaasvlees with cheese inside.
Okay.
Vegetarian bami bisque.
Okay.
You can go sit outside.
So, yung in-order namin. So, ito daw turkey. Tapos, famous frikandel, of course, for Alec. Tapos, french fries. Nag-aaway na naman kayo mag-ama? Parang aso pa sa like Tom and Jerry. Ay, kain na tayo. Merienda pala. So, sa atin, di ba, merong turo-turo. Kumbaga, mga fishball, ganyan. O, dito naman yan. Mag-alcohol ka muna ng kamay. Ay, mag-ama, o. Si Tom and Jerry, pero pagdating sa
Start na muna.
pagdating sa dessert, ayan, kakasundo sila mag-ama.
Try.
What's this
This is the
one?
one you like, eh? We call it soft ice.
Mommy, try
Slagrum.
Try this
Hindi naman slakaron.
Ingat ka sa pagkain ng maliliit na candy, ha? Baka machuka. Tamis.
You want to walk a little bit to that
No.
same pit?
Ayan ay mag-ama.
Take hearts on Heba. Hearts on it.
Chuchuda, atik haba.
Yum.
Tuwan-tuwa yung bata. Oh. Since Friday naman kasi today. So, Friday, tomorrow, wala siyang school. And very good siya sa school today as usual. So, she got that as reward. What about you? Oh, Albert did good today. So, she got a reward. I know. But it's a nice, small village. Yun na yun, nakalimutan ko ulit. What's the name of the village again, Han?
Bakafane.
Baka Pain. So, Baka at saka Pain. So, madali lang siyang tandaan. Malaki yung restaurant niya, oh. It's nice. The weather is cool. It's 20 degrees today. It's sunny pero hindi siya mainit. Kaya masarap mag-ikot-ikot. And then, wala. Ana, na-enjoy mo ice cream mo? Tuntua yung bata, oh. Ayan na yung helmet niya na binigay sa school.
Check on my light also here.
May light pa siya sa likod. Ayun, may light pa.
Close it.
And take note, hindi siya cheap quality. It's a good quality. And this is, binigay nila for free. Diba, Alec?
Mommy, yeah.
At teka muna. Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching, guys.
See you in the next video.
See you in the next video. There's money on your back of the phone.
Okay. Bye, guys. Salamat sa panonood. Till next vlog.
Bye. I'm going to Paris.
She's going to Paris. Very nice weather to relax and sit.